Number 6. Fight for life. It means to struggle to stay alive, especially in a critical health situation.
The patient is fighting for life after the accident. The patient is fighting for life after the accident. In the ICU, he fought for life bravely. In the ICU, he fought for life bravely. Many people fight for life in emergencies. Many people fight for life in emergencies.
Number 7. Fight a war. It means to engage in a large-scale armed conflict.
The country fought a war to defend its independence. The country fought a war to defend its independence. They fought a war that lasted 5 years. They fought a war that lasted 5 years. Sometimes nations fight wars over resources. Sometimes nations fight wars over resources.
Number 8. Find a way. It means to discover a method to achieve something.
She always finds a way to solve problems. She always finds a way to solve problems. We must find a way to work together. We must find a way to work together. If you are dedicated, you'll find a way. If you are dedicated, you'll find a way.
Number 9. Find your way. It means to navigate successfully to a destination.
He found his way in the new city. He found his way in the new city. Lost in the forest, she found her way out. Lost in the forest, she found her way out. Can you find your way to the station? Can you find your way to the station?
Number 10. Ideas flow. It means when thoughts or suggestions come easily and continuously.
Let the ideas flow in the brainstorming session. Let the ideas flow in the brainstorming session. When he writes, his ideas flow beautifully. When he writes, his ideas flow beautifully. Creativity makes her ideas flow endlessly. Creativity makes her ideas flow endlessly.